Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the specifications differences between the Xiaomi 12X versus the Xiaomi Mi 11X device. So recently the Xiaomi did launch 3 phones in the 12 series, so which is the 12, 12 Pro and the 12X device. So right now the 12X and the 11X kind of very similar in terms of the specifications, but let's take a look at the what are the things are really good in the 12X device when compared with the 11X device. And there are some kind of rumors that Xiaomi can launch this 12X device in India around the price of close to 34,999, somewhere around that kind of price. That is what I'm expecting the price of this phone to be there. So my guess would be maybe somewhere around close to 33,999, 32,999. So that will be a really sweet spot. Let's take a look at this specifications of this 12X versus 11X device. So first, the processor is a kind of pretty same processor which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset, and UFS storage also pretty same. So there's nothing much huge difference with the processor wise. So there's only one difference, which is the base variant will be starting with the 8GB RAM variant instead of 6GB RAM variant. Apart from that, we didn't notice any kind of differences in terms of specifications in the processor segment. Next, move to the display part. Display is another slightly kind of difference in the 12X, which has got 6.28 inches screen size. The screen will be slightly smaller when compared with the other 6.67 inches screen size. So definitely friends, the users who like this kind of small screen size, they can actually prefer this phone, which has got 6.28 with OLED panel as well, 120Hz refresh rate and higher brightness level. Not bad at all. And pixel density is 419 pixel density versus 395 pixel density, and 1300 nits of peak brightness in the 11X device. Slightly kind of advantage because of this OLED panel which is present in this 12X device. So because of this small screen size, the weight of the phone also comes very less, which is about 176 grams when compared with the grams of 196. So 176 and 196 grams difference is there between these both phones. Gorilla Glass Victus protection and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. So even though the phone screen size is pretty small, but still the battery remains to be 4,500 mAh of battery capacity. That's quite good, because when the screen size decreases, the battery will also decrease. I thought they could have kept somewhere around 4,200, but they did not compromise in the battery, friends. That's pretty good deal. 4,500 mAh of battery, and with the 67 watts fast charger you're getting, slightly more than the Mi 11X device. Mi 11X has got only 33 watt fast charging. That's something slightly disadvantage. So 39 minutes full charge, and Mi 11X takes about I think close to 50-55 minutes, somewhere around that time, full charge. So there's a slight advantage in the 12X device regarding the fast charging capabilities, and small screen so consumes less battery than the 11X as well. That's also another advantage we are having in this moment. And the Bluetooth 5.1 versus 5.2 latest one, both phones supports the Wi-Fi capabilities, and there is no 3.5mm jack between those both phones, and both phones they do have the stereo speaker setup. That's kind of one interesting thing. And in terms of the front cam is of 32 megapixel in the Xiaomi 12X, which can record 1080, 30 and 60 fps, and only 20 megapixel. So camera is another biggest plus point for the Xiaomi 12X device, which will be having the 50 megapixel wide lens and 13 megapixel ultra wide lens and 5 megapixel telephoto macro lens as well. As you can see the difference between this both, slight advantage in the camera, which can record 8K video recording as well. 4K 30 and 60 fps also is possible in this device, in the Xiaomi 12X device. So this is a quick comparison, friends, within the specifications of this both phones. So few things like camera is slightly better in the 12X device. The screen is slightly smaller but bigger battery. I mean same kind of battery only, but fast charging is also supported. So if you want small screen with powerful Snapdragon 870, this is the only option which you are having right now in the market. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And I think the Xiaomi is kind of releasing the phones similar to the iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 mini. Same kind of series I think Xiaomi did launch, maybe using this kind of 12X, 12 and 12 Pro. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comments below. And meanwhile, and the price of this 12X maybe gonna be somewhere around close to 34,000. That's what I'm expecting, depending on the Snapdragon 870 chipset. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.